Hi, this is Kamini from Speak Like Kamini and welcome to today's lesson on phrasal verbs with the word turn. Now in my previous video, I had spoken about phrasal verbs commonly used in office communication, and today in this video, we are going to look at some of the phrasal verbs with the word turn. Now phrasal verb is a combination of a preposition and a verb which once put together have a certain meaning. And it's always a good idea to have in-depth knowledge of phrasal verbs because they are very frequently used by native speakers. Alright, so let's begin with the first word today, which is turn on. Turn on means to switch on. For example, if you wish to say switch on the fan, in a phrasal verb you would say turn on the fan. Okay, the next word is turn off. Turn off means to switch off. Let's look at an example. Turn off the AC or turn off the fan, which means switch off the AC or switch off the fan. The third phrasal verb is turn up. And before I give you the meanings of this phrasal verb, I would also like to mention that one phrasal verb can have more than one meaning, and this phrasal verb is also like that. For example, the first meaning of the word turn up means to arrive. Let's take an example. How many people turned up at the concert? This means how many people arrived at the concert. The next meaning of turn up is to be found by chance. For example, the job turned up just when I needed it. So that means when the person was looking for a job, he found this job by chance. Another meaning of turn up is to increase the speed or volume of something. For example, turn up the TV or turn up the fan, it's so hot. That means increase the speed of the fan or increase the volume of the TV. Now do note that we do not say turn up the volume of the TV or turn up the speed of the fan, because in any case when we say turn up, it is referring to increasing the speed or the volume. So we say turn up the fan or turn up the TV or turn up anything that you want the person to turn up, but we will not use speed or volume there. Okay, let's move to the next one, which is turn down. Turn down again has more than one meaning. The first meaning is to reduce. So, turn down the fan or turn down the AC. So that means reduce the speed of the AC. The next meaning of turn down is to reject or refuse. For example, she turned down the party invitation. That means the woman rejected the invitation for the party. Alright. Now we come to the next one, which is turn into. Turn into means to change into something. For example, the frog turned into a prince. I'm sure most of us have heard this story in our childhood. When the frog meets the princess, it turns into a prince. Alright, the last one in today's lesson is turn in, which means to submit something. The students are expected to turn in their assignments today. That means the students are expected to submit their assignments today. Alright, with that we have come to the end of this lesson. I hope you enjoyed listening and learning these phrasal verbs and will try practicing them in your daily conversation. If you have any question regarding this video or the lesson today, you can always write to us in the comment box. And if you want to learn more things about English, you can also follow us on Twitter, Facebook and Instagram, the links to which have been given in the description box. Alright then, till next time, it's bye-bye from Speak Like Kamini.